Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. We from Group 2 we present about case study inventory system. This is about our contents.
From this view, we can identify that there is several problems that SMC face. First, SMC buys the medicine that is not according to their specific needs. And the second one is SMC purchase their medicine in bulk to get the lower price. And lastly is the delivery of medicine to SMC is not flexible and it will cause the disruption in stock. The effect from the problem is the dumping of the expired medicine result from buying them in bulk. The second one is loss in expenditure because of buying medicine in bulk and cause the medicine expired. And third one is delivery for some of the medicine can take a few days. This can be unfortunate if the medication is needed urgently, since the delivery of the medicine to the pharmacy is in every 3 months. There is some of the solution for our problem. First, to prevent the dumping of expired medicines, SMC should purchase the drug according to their specific needs. Second, it is not necessary to buy in bulk and it will cause a waste of medicines. Third, it is critical for SMC to figure out what type of medicine that is out of stock and need to restock as soon as possible. So, by detecting it at first, it will make it easy for the pharmaceutical to deliver to their patient or customer needs since the medicine might not available. For the project scope and constraint, there is a project purpose. As a system analysis company, we are offering effective and technology system as an alternative to a client to improve their business operation, especially in inventory system. For the project objective, first, to prevent wasted medicine, and the second one is to prevent dead weight loss, and the third one is to improve its significant time in ordering machine. Project scope. First, must do is about to modify the inventory record of SMC to make sure it will be organizing. Second, should do is about we will do survey by interviewing another clinic to understand more about the real situation of inventory management. Third, could do is can provide the amount of medicine suitable with the demand of patient. Besides that, it also can save the expenditure from overload medicine that is due to expiry date. And lastly is will not do is about do not purchase the irregular medicine because it will cause the excess inventory of medicine, and irregular medicine is low demand. From the viewpoint, we can identify the constraint. First, cost. Cost constraint is due with the limited amount of money to conduct the inventory they need to buy the medicine in bulk to get the lower price even though the medicine is overloaded. The second one is time. Supplier will send the medicine and supplement to the pharmacy every 3 months.
Step 3 is perform fact-finding. The purpose of the interviews is to get the information about the process of collecting data of inventory management, which consists of menu and fields assignment according to users, reorder level, inventory item, for example, specification, store management, barcode system, serial number management, safety stock, and expiry date tracking. In addition, we will use the information obtained to develop a proper system for Sehat Medical Center. We have got some suggestions from Polyclinic, Asra, dan rakan-rakan to improve the inventory system in SMC. This graph is about the main effect of inventory system for Sehat Medical Center. The highest effect is the bulk of medicine and the lowest effect is no reorder level. The interview with the staff are mostly relevant for Sehat Medical Center as their scope of business are same. Besides, the inventory system in clinics are systematic and identical. The clinics use EMAS inventory system. Moreover, from the interview, we conclude that no matter what size the company is, it needs to accurately track inventory to maximize profitability and reduce overhead expenses. Our inventory software takes the guesswork out of keeping appropriate stock levels and costing. We have conducted an interview session with the staff of 2 clinics to gain information on how their inventory management in their clinics. They prefer the inventory system rather than manual system as it saves time and more secure. The polyclinic Ashar dan Rakan use the cloud computing system to record their inventory. We have asked several questions about the inventory management. For example, how they record their inventory and when they will order the medicine. We found that there is many advantages of cloud computing system in the internet. The cloud computing system enables you to leverage the power and performance of enterprise-grade IT infrastructure without the capital expenditure of managing and maintaining your own hardware. Its pay-as-you-go model can also help you to control costs. In a cloud environment, security is a shared responsibility. Your cloud hosting provider builds in resiliency and protection at the infrastructure level to minimize the risk of a breach and can help you address compliance requirements.
So the next one is project usability, cost, benefit, and schedule data. During this investigation, we need to determine the inventory system of Polyclinic Ashar dan Rakan so that it can be compared with Sihat Medical Center. It takes some time to analyze their system based on the clinic subscription. The complete and useful information need to be very produced so that can be compared with themselves. It is not costly to obtain the information from the party, but it takes time to obtain their approval for being interviewed. It also took a long time to finish the analysis of the information obtained due to some internal and external factors. Preparing the report and recommendation is a very time and cost worthy. This is usability. For the first one is to prevent SMC in order to buy the medicine that not according to their specific needs. Second, to improve their time for delivery the medicine which is linked to 3 months stock medicine. Third, improve the business record keeping by using electronic record keeping such as accounting software programs. And the last one is to make sure that SMC buy the good quality of medicine instead of purchase medicine in bulk to get the lower price. This is benefit. For the first one is to ensure that Sihat Medical Center doesn't have to bear with the loss from dumping of expired medicine. Second, Sihat Medical Center need to identify what type of medicine needed and what type of medicine that is out of stock. After figuring it out, it will facilitate pharmacy or in-charge person to deliver the medicine to the patients. Indirectly, Sihat Medical Center can prevent disruption in stock. Third, Sihat Medical Center can easily generate orders, invoices, debtor reports, financial statements, employer pay records, and inventory reports. Using electronic record keeping is an efficient way to keep financial records and require less storage space. And the last one is Sihat Medical Center will get more customer or patients when they take good quality of medicine as priority. It might be costly, but in the long-term business, it will be better. Not only that, clinic will get trust from the customer or patient, so indirectly it can generate the income as well.
Operational. The system will be easy to handle if workers record the stock of medicine to the computer accurately and systematically. The computer system, for example Excel, can help SMC to calculate the medical usage for every month. It will help the SMC to buy the medicine according what the quantity that they need after list down the usage of medicine from every month. It will advise the SMC for not buying the medicine in bulk, thus will reduce the problem that the medicine is expired. For technically, our company will make sure to prepare programming, important equipment and system assets that are sufficient enough for building up the new system for SMC. This is because we want to prevent any problem happen in the process developing the new evidence system for SMC. Our company also will provide the technical expertise which have high technical and specialized skill and expert in technology to conduct in developing new evidence system for SMC. The system that we want to propose to SMC is based on cloud computing, which means store and accessing data and program over the internet instead of your computer hard drive. In addition, users can quickly customize their entry scheme, report, template, and more. For schedule feasibility in SMC case, we know that the pharmacy fails to manage the medications that lead SMC to bear high costs in their business operation. The requirement time that our company to develop SADIS inventory system in 2 months. This is because to develop a system we need to take step by step. This is for Gantt chart. And then this is for bar chart.
Operational feasibility. In operational feasibility, the system will be used effectively after being developed to measure a solution of the problem with the help of new proposed system. Operational feasibility will help in taking advantage of the opportunities and fulfill the requirement during development of the SADIS inventory system. We also coordinate with the employees and get information about the current system using a fact-finding and try to implement a time-saving system in order to be accepted by the employees. Even though the system that we build will result in workforce reduction, thus it will also solve human mistake. Other than that, we also make it easier and more convenient to use than the system exists in the market. When we carry out this system, we try to involve the user as early involvement to help them to understand this system in a better way in order for the company to provide the necessary resources for training current employees. 5.5 Economic feasibility. Economic feasibility is really means whether a business or a project is feasible cost-wise and logically. For using SADIS inventory system, the company is no need to hire an IT staff to operate the system that we build. Then, the system is not required a company to have a high specification computer platform, which is very costly. To use this system, the user need a license and to pay the subscription fee per month.